Hi, it's Faces Tech. When you can start seeing like a bit of a pattern and as this year has gone by, it's pretty much got worse and worse. And pretty much I'd say the motto of the year is stay safe. So whilst I'm in lockdown and off work, I would thought I would keep my mind going and just design some fridge magnets. So what these are, fridge magnets. Could also be made into key rings if you wanted to. Found this strip of basically like crappy black magnets stuff. It's quite thick, about 2 mil thick by about 14. I think it's ½ inch by ½ inch. Work that out. For about one, I think it was £1.41 delivered from the UK, which is quite cool. So I've got a metre of that. Started out with the first design, which was this, which is an open sans, and added a little bit of accent to the bottom of the Y there, just to give it a little, make it look a bit more interesting. And then I moved on to a Stranger Things one, because I've been watching Stranger Things. Great series. This one, slightly smaller magnet for the size of the print. And all it is, these are just printed, and then I've just gone over the top with like a paint pen, an acrylic paint pen, I think they are. Well, they smell pretty terrible, so they aren't water based. And they're quite cheap as well. I think these are about £2 or £3. You can probably buy a big pack, actually, I think on Amazon for about £12 with all different colours. Probably best to get them rather than just buying individuals. And then I did this little Star Wars one. It was one of them I didn't realise until I actually got into the slicer how small it was. Sliced it anyway. And then I thought I'd literally just now printed out this one, which is a newer one, bigger one, slightly bigger. So it kind of keeps the theme. I was thinking of different fonts that are quite standout-ish. This one, I did actually add these lines to make up the Stranger Things logo, because this is just the Stranger Things font. And this one, I thought I'd go with a little bit different. It is a Disney font, but with this one, I printed it on like a pink. It's like a silk pink. It's like a slight glossiness to it. And then spray painted the top with like a teal spray paint. Give it 2 coats just to get all the edges and everything. And then I just sanded it back. I did do another one, but it turned out the letters were too small, and the what made up the letters, and it basically just sanded it too much. This isn't really that great. I wouldn't consider selling this one, but it's it's alright. It's just a coming wall. As you can see, I'm using quite a small magnet. Same with this one, I used a quite small one. So yeah, really just something to keep my mind going, and just as usual, I'll put these files. I used Open FreeCAD. I'll give a link to all the fonts I've used with the design files and the STLs, so you can print your own. And what also accidentally, whilst I was printing one of these out, I figured out that you can actually print it without support for the bottom hole. Well, on my Ender 3 anyway, it worked out, because it was 14 mil by 2 mil. I accidentally left off the support thing, and it just printed it, and I was like, oh right, it kind of worked out the same way. So that'll save you some time and a little bit of filament, because it can be quite annoying when you're trying to get it out of a hole like that, trying to pry it out. Normally use like a little spudger or something just to spudger it out. But yeah, as usual, thanks for watching. Bye.